What's up, online shoppers? I'm so excited because I just got a brand new massager, and this one here is supposed to be heaven on feet. This is the NekTeck Shiatsu Foot Massager with air compression and heat, and I cannot wait to get my tootsies in this thing. Let's open it up and see what's inside. Now, the cool thing about this is it comes totally assembled, so you don't have to do anything but take it out of the box, put your tootsies in, and plug it in. So this is a multi-function foot massager. It has quite a few different preset massage modes. Your feet basically go right into these two holes here, and when I put my hands in, I can feel all these little balls that are basically going to be the shiatsu massagers. They're going to roll and apply pressure to my feet. It comes encased in this really nice, soft, flexible plastic case, and you can, if necessary, unzip it so that you can get at the components in here. And these little sockies that your feet slide into can also be unzipped right back here so that you can wash them, because your feet are going to get warm in here, and you might want to have that option to clean everything every once in a while, especially if you use it a lot, which I think I'm going to be doing. As you can see from the back, it plugs in right here. There we go. Now, one of the reasons that this is flexible is that it has air compression technology, which means that you've got two different intensity levels that can squeeze and massage your foot with pressure. That, of course, is going to do all kinds of really wonderful things, and they do suggest that you use the compression with the massage to really get blood circulating to the soles of your feet and all those little muscles that get so well worked because we walk around on them all day. Now, when I put my hands in here, I can definitely feel the deep kneading nodes. There's all these little rollers that are going to imitate a massage technique, like as if somebody was rolling your foot between their hands, which is kind of cool. The cover here is detachable. Because these foot sleeves are breathable, you can clean them and wash them, as I said before, and all you have to do to get inside is just undo the zipper that goes all the way around the outside of this. See what it looks like in action and how it sounds, because I like to know how loud this is. So power button's right here. Now, when I turn it on, you can immediately hear it. It's not really loud. There is the compression noise right there, that shh. Compression inside increases with air, and then it decreases as the air is let out. This feels awesome. I can't wait to get it on my feet. Something else that this NekTeck foot massager has is a soothing heat function, which is really cool. It has infrared heating to help relax your feet and relieve those tired, tense, stressed muscles. The warmth in here is cool, and I can just imagine myself putting my tootsies in here when I have cold feet and just letting both the massage and the heat warm my feet up. So the air button is right here, and it has two different modes. It has low and high. So one press of this moves it from low, which is the default setting, to high. And that means it's going to squeeze even firmer with higher air pressure. Now, as far as modes go, just click this little mode button here, and you see that you can do something like 1, shut off the air. You can hear it decompressing. And when it does that, there's just a really very gentle, soft massaging inside here. Now, mode 2 is air and low, and mode 3 is full everything. You can also decide you want the heat off or you want the heat on, but I'm gonna put my feet in here and see just how wonderful this feels. Always best to start with it off. So I'm gonna slip my feet in here. We are good. We are going to turn it on. Oh, this is awesome. Oh my goodness. It almost tickles. There's this really nice soft rolling sensation, and I can feel a variety of pressures from my toes all the way up to my heels. Now, this is the default setting right here where you have low air compression, heat, and massage. If I want to go to high air pressure, I just have to press that again, and I can immediately feel an increase in pressure. So there's like a sleeve that's squeezing my feet and then releasing, and then squeezing my feet and then releasing. It's very, very comfortable. Now, if I don't want the air, I can go down to lower pressure with one click like that, or I can go into mode, and that first button does shut off the air. Now, all I have going is the heat and the shiatsu massage function. Another press of the mode button gives me low pressure, but no massage, and definitely heat. You can hear it going. That kind of a filling and decompressing noise is the pressure, and that is also very lovely. And if I press mode again, it starts up the massage. Very, very nice and gentle, rolling, massaging. I can feel the blood circulating in my feet. I am super, super impressed with this little Shiatsu foot massager. It is comfortable. Now I have a women's size 10 foot and my foot went in really nice and easy. I'm going to give this a try with my husband and my sons. They have feet that are much bigger than mine, and see how well it fits them. But I do have a lot of space at the back here for a bigger foot to fit in, and there's definitely a lot of space moving forward at the top here, where if I had a bigger foot, I could slide my foot forward. So if you're worried about foot size, you definitely have room in here for everything up to about a size 12 foot. And that's pretty cool. If you are interested in spoiling yourself and taking your feet to the spa whenever you want to, you've got to check out this NekTeck Shiatsu Foot Massager with heat, air compression, and gorgeous shiatsu rolling massage. It is definitely going to be a family favorite at my house.